Hello, welcome back. I'm Sebastian. I live in a van, and I'm out here with my friend Tyler and his dog Copper. They also live in a van. We're out here in the Grand Teton National Park. We're gonna go explore today. Let's go. Guys, the amount of snow here compared to in town is insane. Man, look at that. Copper seems to love it. We're here at the lake. It's Jackson Lake, and it seems to be completely frozen over. So we're gonna go check that out. Probably seen me come to this spot in previous episodes here. And it's because this is one of the cool, very few places that you could come here in the Grand Teton National Park. And it's interesting to see how much it changes throughout the seasons. I mean, come on. It's just like a winter wonderland right here. Got the Tetons in the background, the frozen lake right here. It is beautiful. I don't know, are we sure it's frozen? That doesn't look completely frozen. Like you post hole and you go straight into water.
It's frozen.
It's frozen enough.
It sure doesn't seem like it.
Oh no. Luckily those are waterproof boots.
You wanna go swimming?
Hell no. Oh my god. Of water.
The dog's gonna knock me over.
That's hilarious. But yeah, a very short, very cold swim. Now those guys are working hard. They're trying to move a lot of snow. It's crazy. We've got a few steep, icy roads here. Luckily, it looks like they've thrown some sand down on them. No salt because we're in a national park, but the sand definitely helps with traction going up and more importantly going down these steeper grades. I think Tyler's looking at these econo lines and getting some ideas. I don't know. We got some with really big tires on them and some with tracks on them. Yeah, look at him. He's shopping right now. See, this is Tyler's van. It's lifted, it's got big tires. Not as big as those, but it's got some pretty big tires. So much ground clearance, and a cute puppy inside.
What do you think, man? Do you think our vans will make it the same place as these ones will?
Yes, I think so. I'm pretty sure they just drive all over Yellowstone when all the roads are closed. We could do the same.
It has nothing to do with the tires. It's all about the speed.
The speed, momentum.
Momentum. Just pin it to win it, and you're good.
Pin it to win it. Yeah, I like that. I haven't heard that one before. Like when in doubt, throttle out. Yep. And we've got snow chains and rope and max tracks.
We'll make it out.
Yeah,
we'll figure it out.
Exactly. this is one of the places I camp out. It's really icy today.
Oh, right on. Yeah, I was just freaking spinning tires back there.
Oh, that was slippery.
It's way slippery. I'm glad it stopped.
Oh, wait, let's see. Is he gonna run into it? Yeah, this is the worst I've seen in a while. I'll camp out here when sometimes when I go to work, because it's like 15, 20, probably about 20 minutes from the airport.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Nice and quiet up here too.
Yeah, exactly. All right, now for the question: are we gonna make it down this hill without sliding all the way down? Hopefully. We shall see. There's enough dry spots on the side of the road that I could aim towards if I start sliding a little bit too much. And I mean, there's plenty of side berms that will stop me as well. So there's always that. That one's gone. I'm gonna go over to this one too. Yeah. See, it's fine. Everything's fine. Yeah, the weather here has been pretty wild. It's been really warm during the day. It's starting to cool down again now, but we had like one day, it was 40 degrees Fahrenheit, and then the day before that was like 30 degrees, 35 degrees. And it's just like melting all of the ice, and then at night, it refreezes and just creates one big ice skating rink. Oh, it's slippery. Yeah, I stepped on the brakes and I slid like 20 feet to this spot. Oh yeah. Ice skating rink everywhere. All right, well, it's cold out there and the lake is definitely frozen over, so we're not gonna go swimming today. We're gonna drive into town, go get some burritos. Hopefully we could get out of here without any issues. Little micro spikes on my shoes because I couldn't walk around without almost slipping and falling and getting severely hurt. Luckily, it's not too bad coming up this hill, but those icy spots are very icy. All right, we made it back on the main road. There are so many icy spots here as well. It's not too bad. We'll be able to get out here, no problem. Oh man, we just had some fun. So, okay, I'm still kind of shaking up. So we were coming down the hill and it was really slippery, like extremely slippery. Turning a corner, like I had plenty of traction, and then we turn a corner and there are two moose in the middle of the icy road, and I tapped on the brakes, couldn't stop at all. I radioed Tyler right behind me and he could not stop either. So we're just pretty much sliding, pumping the brakes, sliding directly towards these two moose. Like there's a moose right there. They're all over the place. I don't know if you see them, but yeah, moose everywhere, and couldn't stop. The moose that was in the middle of the road could not get up. Luckily, if he would have gotten up, I would have hit him. I got so close to that moose. Okay, and then luckily when I passed him, he was able to get up and get out the way, so Tyler didn't hit the moose either. So we just evaded two moose hittings at once, and yeah, it was terrifying. Anyway, we're not gonna do that again. Those moose were crazy.
Dude, that was nuts,
That
man.
was terrifying. Absolutely terrifying. I was for sure at least one of us were gonna hit.
Oh man. As soon as you radioed me and said, I can't slow down or whatever,
Yeah.
That's immediately right when I was like, I can't either. And then the moose kept falling in front of you. And I mean, it had to have been inches from your front tire.
Yeah.
Maybe a foot.
Yeah, Yeah,
Just
we
laying on the ground.
were so close. It was terrifying. The moose couldn't get up, so that's good. I think we could take a second and appreciate how beefy this van is. I mean, come on. Could you imagine me driving something like that? It'd be pretty cool, wouldn't it? Beautiful Jackson, Wyoming. We meet again. All right, we just ate a delicious meal, a well-balanced meal here at the burrito place. This is his first time having DOG, and I'd say he liked it. Did you like it?
It was good.
It was
Yeah,
good.
definitely will be going back there again.
I recommend this place to everyone. It's called DOG Down on Glen here in Jackson, Wyoming. Yeah, check it out. Thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. I had a lot of fun camping out with Tyler and Copper. Definitely need to do that more often. I'm sorry about the shaky camera and the weird camera angles, whatever on my face, but I'm still trying to get acclimated to this new camera. So expect nothing but the best from me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.